First, build a frame with 1x3 or similar material. The outside length and width of your frame should be 1/2 inch smaller than your rough opening. For larger frames, add cross members for additional support. Next, cut a piece of the 6mm reinforced poly sheet 2 feet wider and longer than the wood frame. Lay out the plastic on a flat surface. Place the wood frame on the plastic sheet, centered, and wrap the plastic around the sides of the frame. Staple the plastic sheet to the back and inside of the frame. Make sure to pull tight while fastening. Now, attach a 2x4 to your miter saw to support your temp window flange while cutting. Cut through the 2x4 at 45 degrees on both sides to complete the temp window flange jig. Use a thin gauge metal and plastic cutting blade for best results. Measure your frame and cut the temp window flanges to fit tight corner to corner around the perimeter. Miter the ends of the temp window flange at the frame corners. To easily measure, pull your tape from the long point after cutting your first miter and add 3.5 inches. This mark will be the long point of the opposite miter. Check the piece against your frame for fit and adjust this dimension as necessary. Confirm your piece fits correctly, corner to corner, and mark the head of the frame. Next, apply a 1/4 inch bead of Temp Windows caulk to the wood frame and plastic sheet. The caulk only needs to be applied at 3 sides. The head of the frame can go without, but run the caulk 1 inch past the head jamb corners. Place the cut to size temp window flange over the caulk, tight to the frame corner. Apply some pressure to push the caulk slightly toward the inside of the plastic sheet. Make sure the corners line up, then fasten the temp window flange to the wood frame using a pneumatic staple gun or screws through the top and sides of the flange. Staples make for a faster install, while screws will allow for easy removal of the flanges at a later date if desired. Repeat this process at all 4 sides of the frame to complete the assembly of your patent-pending temp window. Please watch our install video for best practices of installing the Temp Windows system.